We are discussing about how we are going to make money, how we are going to spend money, this money is going to go to who, this money is going to go to who. But we are not having a national conversation regarding where the money is going to come from. We've already been hit hard by coronavirus. They are losing the key focus. The focus is not 2022. The focus is today. People are hungry. People do not have food. Businesses are collapsing. People are not even sure whether they're going to go to school tomorrow. So those are the issues that we came to discuss and how we are going to revive our economy.
What can we do as Kenyan people to accelerate the creation of wealth and make sure it is properly distributed within the Kenyan people, so that this demand for what would be free things can subside?